Hi, Dr. Robinson here with Tom my cat for another tech tip for the day. So you guys are great at responding. So the big one that keeps coming up is my computer is running really slow and it's starting to be really sluggish. What can I do to speed it up? Oh, there's a lot. And this one is a huge one. So I want you to do Start key R or Windows key R. It takes you to your Run dialog box. And I want you to type in %, that is on your keyboard, Shift number 5, the %, T-E-M-P, and then another %. I'm taking you to your app data temp folder, and I want you to hit enter on that. And basically, anytime you open any program, it leaves tracks in your computer. It's just like walking through your house with, you've got dirt on your shoes. And it's like never vacuuming your house. Well, it's harder to get through your house if you never clean it. Same thing with your computer. If you do not clean this temp folder, it's going to get your computer's going to slow down, and it makes a massive difference when you clean this. So you're going to open your app data temp folder, and I want you to do a Control A, and it selects everything. And I want you to do a permanent delete with Shift delete, and it's going to say, are you sure you want to do this? And of course you say yes. Now, you cannot delete programs you are actively using. So if you're using your talking software or Skype or something else, there are going to be those programs because they're still open. And so a dialog box is going to say, open up, and it's going to say, what do you want to do about this? Well, you want to say select all with an Alt A and then skip with an Alt S and just skip it. Sometimes it will come up once, sometimes it'll come up 2-3 times, but just keep saying skip on it and then it will completely clean it. You will notice an immediate difference in your computer. Okay, so the next thing is doing disk cleanup. So hit your start key, type in DIS, and of course disk cleanup will come up. Hit enter on that. I want you to tab into your list box, and there's lots of check boxes. I want you to check every single one of those with a space bar. If you're a mouse user, you can go ahead and click on that. And you're going to go ahead and tab to OK and clean that. Now I want you to go back to your disk cleanup, and you're going to tab to your system files this time, and I want you to hit enter on that, and I want you to go to your list view, and I want you to check all of those boxes. Now every time you load programs, once again it leaves even bigger leftover parts of programs, and then I want you to hit OK on that, and I want you to clean that also. Yes, this will take a little bit of time, especially based on the speed of your computer. It might be just whipping fast. It might take a few minutes. It might take more than a few minutes. Okay, after you're done with that, hit your start key, and now I want you to type in optimize. Okay, just OPT should be enough. Disk optimization. Now most people have SSDs. You do not defrag SSDs. You need to optimize them. So you're going to select your drive in the list view, and then you're going to tab to optimize, and then just kind of walk away. If you have multiple drives, you need to select each one independently of themselves, and you want to click optimize on that, and then go ahead and run that. When everything is done, then I want you to go ahead, one more thing, hit your start key and type in updates. UPD is typically enough, and it's going to say check for updates. Hit enter on that and check for your updates. Now I'm already going to tell you, if you're actively working on your computer and all of a sudden it starts to slow down, there's probably an update going on. So if you go into your updates, you're going to find out that updates are occurring. Make sure you do your updates. Okay, I'm telling my kids now, because our updates are so constant, every morning before you go to school or got a job, every morning, or you just want to be a person who doesn't want a slow computer, every morning clean that temp folder and do your updates. Now I want you to restart your computer, of course, after you finish your updates, and you're going to notice a huge difference in the speed of your computer, and it's going to make life so much better. Okay, that's Tom and me for now. Bye. That's your next tech tip for the day. And of course, give a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to the channel for more tech tips for the day and other lessons. Talk to you later.